actually gets even colder later this week, so it's something to consider as we are putting a lot of focus into the next threat on our radar, and that's the potential for another storm this weekend. We're kind of honing in on Sunday. Saturday looks sunny and dry, so if you do have plans on Sunday, this is the point where you might want to consider some backup plans just in case, because there is that potential for a storm. You can see that deep plunge that's moving in for us this week. So we have this pattern where yet again an Arctic plunge is moving in, not just for us, for much of the eastern half of the country. And as we see that dip in the jet stream, you can see how that helps to spin off this area of low pressure. And so we're seeing more certainty here that this area of low pressure that will become our storm forms off of the southeast coast on Saturday evening. And at this point, we're also seeing a likelihood for it to not only form off the southeast coast, but to then strengthen rapidly over a 24-hour period between Saturday night through Sunday evening, dropping more than 24 millibars in a 24-hour period. And that is why it's going under what we call bombogenesis. This is considered a bomb cyclone, and this is something that will likely take place before it gets closer to our area. That's just a sign of how strong this area of low pressure is. Keep in mind, with our last storm, the area of low pressure that produced that significant snowfall wasn't all that strong. We are looking at a stronger area of low pressure with this storm, but that doesn't necessarily mean more snow. The track will dictate that. But with a very strong area of low pressure, what is more certain is the extent of the wind. And we will see some of that wind likely brushing at least southeastern Massachusetts, where this one model has this wind gust of 50 to even 60 miles per hour, mainly focused over southeastern Massachusetts. That could extend farther inland if this follows a track that's a little bit more westward. There's two major models that we follow, the GFS and the European. The European has really been consistently keeping this model track a little bit farther east, which means a brush of snow for our area, with heavier totals mainly confined to far southeastern Massachusetts. But the GFS continues to say, hey, this could extend a little bit farther inland. While the highest potential for snowfall will likely be over Cape Cod and the islands, we could see some snow extending inland. Right now, our probability for at least 6 inches of snowfall is likely over Cape Cod and the islands and extending into southeastern Massachusetts. What's certain here is what we see as far as Boston and areas north and west, and the probability of seeing a more significant snow. We are looking at astronomically higher tides going into this storm, so that's another concern, is that we could see some splashover or coastal flooding. The extent of that impact is going to be dictated by the particular track that this follows. So we will be, of course, watching that very closely. We should have a better handle as we move into the forecast by late Thursday night into Friday morning. For now, at least it is dry, so a little bit of a pause. We have sunshine out there, 15 to 20, feeling like it's close to 0 in Worcester right now. Actual high temperature readings in the 20s today will feel like it's closer to 9, and it gets even colder tonight. We'll see some spots falling below 0, most of us in the lower teens. It is a mostly sunny day tomorrow, but the cold continues. And in fact, here's a look at our wind chill forecast. Below 0 for Thursday morning, but look at this. By Friday morning, wind chill factors as low as 24 below in some spots. So a reinforcing shot of cold air as we head into Friday morning. Saturday morning, some spots could be waking up to sub-zero actual temperature readings before we get into that storm potential for Sunday. We will keep you updated and posted on that track in the days ahead.